Nature Stories Part 1. So the first nature story on this channel will be about, okay, let me explain. So, there used to be a wasp nest right up in the tree in my backyard, right there. So, one day, we were cooking meat over a fire, cause it's really delicious. And, so then, we realized that the wasp nest fell down and we didn't have lots of wood. Guess what we did? We burned the wasp nest and it worked as a fuel source for fire. So, if you don't have wood, you can always burn an abandoned, fallen down wasp nest as a fuel source for fire. That was Nature Stories number 1.